Mr. Ray and Miss Klein both took long car trips. Mr. Ray drove 2,178 miles. Miss Klein drove 1,830 miles. How much further did Mr. Ray drive on his trip? How much further is a separation question because I'm finding the difference. I'm comparing the two, and that's the difference. So I'm going to be careful to write the larger number on top. Eight minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 minus 8, can't do it. 11 minus 8 is 3. And so this is not a 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. Careless mistake. Sometimes happen. And I would have noticed that 340 was not on my list, so that's when I'd go back and double check my math. I do see 348 is my answer, and making that selection, I'm finished with the question and finished with the test.